Norita Investors help people become aware of their real estate problems and solve them. If you visit our website Norita Investors to get more awareness and knowledge, you will come to know about real estate issues you face. We'll make you aware regarding real estate issues regarding landlord burnout, renting or selling a house. We have immense experience in the real estate arena. The main problem is that people waste hours going after wrong real estate deals and have less awareness regarding real estate matters. Let's tell you right from the start that we provide you with valuable information and guidance regarding major real estate issues. Just imagine being able to achieve all this, without having to waste hours going after useless real estate deals. Now here is the deal. We don't want you to struggle and face any hassles. Norita Investors are here to make your real estate experience hassle-free and simple. You can get effective real estate deals and we are here to help you at noritainvestors.com. Imagine 1 month from now you will be learning about all the real estate problems concerning selling a house, about landlord burnout and more. Please visit noritainvestors.com and get rid of all the real estate problems instantly.